Hi, this is Gautam here. So, I want to talk about Gravity movie, the movie which I recently watched in theaters. So, Gravity movie was very nice. It was awesome graphics and especially the cinematography was marvelous. It was equal to Avatar movie. So, when you watch Gravity movie, you'll see a lot of things which you have never seen before. Example, you can see the eye drops just coming in front of you while I'm watching in 3D. So I was watching in 3D, so that was like eye droplets when the come Sandra Bullock was crying. The eye droplets was coming and rotating. That was the thing, the highlight of the movie. So has Sandra Bullock acted really very well, and George Clooney was very supportive to the character. So basically, the movie starts with the space exploration. The people explore space, and there was an accident. It goes where an accident just propels, and a lot of space shuttles get damaged, and there is a chain reaction which occurs at the time. And this chain reaction causes the space shuttle to get exploded, and there were many space shuttles getting exploded in a chain reaction. So George Clooney and Sandra Bullock were in the space shuttle repairing the other stuff in the space shuttle. So what happened at that time was the movie is all about, and will they be survived at the end is all about the story. And George Clooney as awesome. This was his best performance. If you see Sandra Bullock did very well in the end. If you have to see by watching it by yourself, Sandra Bullock basically made it very simple. She acted with the heart coming inside. She made a lot of space exploration, especially in the graphic part. Hats off to the director and the producers and the actors as well. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe us. Thank you.